rich and creamy yogurt that tastes like a dessert but is packed with protein. Start with a small bowl to eat your yogurt from. I already have 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt in here. Add 1/3 a cup of vanilla protein powder. Casein works great here and makes it a bit thicker, but I'm using whey protein for today. Add 3 ounces of cream cheese that has been softened. If your cream cheese is too cold and hard, you can microwave it for about 15 to 30 seconds to soften it. Mix everything together until it's smooth and there are no more clumps. You can place it in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes if you want it to thicken up slightly. But it's not necessary, and you can enjoy it right now if you prefer. These next 2 are optional, but you can add 2 to 4 tablespoons of crushed granola on top. Then add 1/4 a cup of fresh strawberries. And that's all there is to it. You're good to go with your cheesecake protein yogurt bowl. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can also meal prep these ahead of time for those 3 days so you can have a high protein breakfast ready to go. Just be sure to add your toppings when you're ready to eat them so they don't get too soggy from sitting in the fridge. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, healthy recipes every week.